Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science step by step. First, let's focus on understanding the basics. Start by reading your textbook chapters carefully, perhaps spending 20 to 30 minutes per section. Make sure you grasp all the core concepts, paying close attention to definitions and diagrams. Identifying the main ideas will build a strong foundation for everything else you learn in science. Next, let's dive into active learning techniques. Don't just passively read. Engage with the material. Try taking concise notes, perhaps using a two-column method, and draw diagrams to visualize complex ideas. Explaining concepts aloud, as if you're teaching someone, is a powerful way to solidify your understanding and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Now, let's talk about revision and practice, which are crucial for mastering science. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to reviewing your notes and solving practice questions. This consistent effort helps reinforce what you've learned. If possible and safe, try conducting simple experiments at home. Hands-on experience can deepen your understanding of scientific principles significantly. Finally, consistency and well-being are key to long-term success. Try to establish a consistent study schedule, perhaps 3 times a week for 45 minutes each. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 25 minutes to keep your mind fresh. Also, prioritize adequate sleep and a healthy diet. These are vital for optimal brain function and effective learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.